Does your singing voice sound weak? Like you just can't get enough strength or body into the sound? Today I'm going to show you one easy exercise to strengthen your voice, and you can do it right along with me. Victoria's Vocal Tips. For 36 years, I've helped singers develop stronger, healthier, and more beautiful voices. And today, we're going to work on strengthening your voice. There are many reasons why a voice can sound weak, but today we're going to focus on one important principle. Your vocal folds have to come together with enough firmness to create a strong, clear tone. And some of you are just plain too relaxed. Remember, please, good singing is an athletic activity. Now, we don't want tension, but we do need engagement, energy. Today, we're going to keep it practical with one exercise. If you want more help, I'll give you the link to my playlist on how to sing with more power. So, our exercise is going to be on the word beep. So listen. Beep, 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 beep. The B and P plosives help to close the vocal folds. You want that seal. So we don't want beep, beep, beep. Oh, that's breathy and weak. But on the other hand, we don't want squeezed. Beep, beep, beep. So I'll demonstrate for the higher voices up here. Beep, 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 beep. So I'm going to be at G4. Lower voices can be at G3. Higher voices, if you want, can be at G5. Here we go. Beep, 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 beep. Nice and clear. Again. Beep, 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 beep. Our goal is an energized, clear vowel, not a loose vowel. Okay, I want you to stand up because we're going to start with 10 of these, but I'm going to take you through quite a bit of range. Okay, energy and anchored in the body, as I say. Sing. Beep, 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 beep. Keep going. Good energy. Nice and clear. Head to toe. Intensity. While having fun. Anchor. Last one. You know, I always say, when you sing with your full-bodied tone, it just feels great. Now we're going to do this exercise higher in a minute. In fact, today I'm going to take you through 2 octaves. But before we do that, I want you to realize the importance of the right exercises if you want to build strength and stability. And this is exactly why I created my audio exercise training program, Victoria's Vocal Exercise Program. And if you haven't gotten it yet, I seriously don't know why you're waiting. So you want to build more strength? What about clarity? How about your vowels? You want to extend your range? You want to build in more resonance? What about vocal colors, textures? What about vibrato? How about your vocal bridge or passaggio? You want to learn how to sing in different styles? I give it all to you and so much more. And the best part is the program is super affordable, and I do regular group classes with members, and I really want to meet you. So see the link below and sign up right away. Okay, so now we're going to take the exercise higher, but higher doesn't mean it has to be harder. You want to keep your nice and free, open throat. I believe we ended here, so we're up to here now. This is B4 or B3. Here we go. Sing. Energy. Free throat. Breathe. Keep going. Drop out if it's too high. 2 more. Last one. So So how did you do? Was your vowel nice and clear? Did you keep the energy? Were you starting to get tight as you get higher? Just a little tidbit of info. You need a little bit more tall space in the back of the throat as you get higher. So that was 2 octaves. Now we're going to do the whole exercise from bottom to top without stopping. Ready? Then drop out or go to the lower octave if it gets too high. Sing. Beep, 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 beep. Breathe. Here we go. I love it. Doing great. Energy. Positive. Feel super. Sparkle. Anchor. Free throat. Running out of things to say. But we're having fun, it's okay. Getting higher, keep the throat free. A few more. Two more. Last one. Yes, that was a lot of fun. Tell me in the comments how you did, and come back and do this exercise with me regularly and see how your voice reacts. Building strength, not shouting. For more help, see my playlist on how to sing with more power. And if your voice is also breathy, see this video on the 3 main reasons for breathy singing. Thanks for being here, and thanks for singing with me. I'll see you in the next video.